Did you know that after age 60, your body can lose up to 8% of its muscle mass every decade, even if you feel healthy today? That's like silently losing the strength in your legs, arms, and core without even realizing it. Until one day, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or getting out of a chair feels almost impossible. The shocking truth. Seniors, what if I told you that the simple habits you do before bed and the way you drink your morning coffee could be the difference between rebuilding strong, youthful muscles or watching them slip away forever? Most people over 60 don't realize that muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, is silently chipping away at their strength every single night. You may not feel it today, but the decline adds up quickly. In fact, studies show that you can lose up to 8% of your muscle mass every decade after age 60. Think about what that really means. Weaker legs, slower walking, more painful joints, greater risk of falls, and even a shorter lifespan. For many, it starts with something small, struggling to open a jar, losing balance on the stairs, or getting tired just carrying groceries. But over time, these are warning signs that your muscles are fading. But here's the part nobody tells you. There are simple, natural tweaks you can do at night before bed and again in the morning with your coffee that can slash inflammation, rebuild muscle fibers, strengthen your bones, and even sharpen your brain. And the best part, these tweaks don't require a gym membership, heavy weights, or expensive medications. They work with your body's own natural repair systems, the ones that are most active while you sleep and when you first wake up. So stick with me, because today I'm going to share the exact science-backed steps that can help you not only stop muscle loss, but actually reverse it. I'll also share real stories of seniors who regained strength, confidence, and independence with just a few powerful changes. And whatever you do, don't miss habit number 3 at night, because one study showed it could boost muscle repair while you sleep by up to 40%. Yet hardly anyone over 60 even knows it exists. But first, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments below. We read and reply to every single one. Section 1, why seniors lose muscle so fast after 60. Muscle loss doesn't happen like a light switch. It's more like a slow leak in a tire. Silent, steady, and barely noticeable at first. You don't feel it day to day, but then one morning you realize climbing stairs feels harder, your arms feel weaker, lifting a bag or standing up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. By that time, you may already have lost 20, 30, even 40% of your muscle strength. Doctors call this condition sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest hidden threats to older adults. Starting around age 60, your body naturally loses muscle at a rate of 3-8% every decade. By age 70, the loss can accelerate to almost double that. And if nothing is done, by age 80, many people lose nearly half of their total muscle mass. The scary part, sarcopenia doesn't just mean weakness. Muscle is not only for strength, it's your body's metabolic engine. Lose muscle, and you don't just lose strength, you lose your protection against serious diseases. Type 2 diabetes, because muscle helps control blood sugar. Heart disease and obesity, because muscle burns fat and keeps metabolism active. Osteoporosis, because strong muscles protect and strengthen bones. And of course, weak muscles also mean a much higher risk of falls and fractures. And after 60, a simple fall can be life-threatening. Here's the hopeful news. Scientists now know that sarcopenia is not inevitable. Yes, it happens with age, but with the right signals, your body can still grow new muscle fibers even in your 60s, 70s, and 80s. And that's where the power of your bedtime rituals and your morning coffee routine come in. Because the truth is, what you do in those 2 small windows of time can either speed up muscle loss or flip the switch toward muscle growth, repair, and strength. And it all starts with first sip of coffee in the morning. Section 2, the morning coffee ritual. 7 additions that rebuild muscle. Coffee isn't just a pick-me-up. For seniors over 60, it can either accelerate muscle loss or become a powerful tool to rebuild and protect muscle. The difference lies not in the coffee itself, but in what you add to it. Think of your morning cup as a blank canvas. On its own, coffee provides a boost in energy and circulation, which can help muscles stay active. But when you pair it with the right nutrients, it transforms into a muscle rebuilding elixir. Here are 8 science-backed additions you can stir into your morning coffee that make all the difference. 1. Collagen peptides. Muscle and joint glue collagen drops after 50, leading to weak joints and slow recovery. A scoop in coffee helps repair muscle, strengthen tendons, and protect joints. 2. Whey plant protein, muscle builder. Most seniors don't get enough protein. 10 to 15 grams in coffee flips your body from muscle breakdown to repair mode. 3. Creatine, senior strength secret. Not just for athletes, creatine boosts daily strength, fuels muscles, and even sharpens memory. 4. Cinnamon, blood sugar balancer. Sprinkle some in your coffee to steady blood sugar so muscles absorb nutrients instead of storing fat. 5. Cocoa, dark chocolate, muscle protector. Rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve blood flow to muscles. 6. MCT oil, brain and muscle fuel. Quick, clean energy that supports brain function, burns fat, and preserves muscle. 7. Turmeric plus black pepper, inflammation fighters. Together, they ease stiffness, protect joints, and prevent muscle breakdown. Section 3. The bedtime routine that rebuilds muscle while you sleep. Morning sets the stage, but nighttime is when your body does the real repair work. While you sleep, growth hormones rise, damaged fibers are rebuilt, and your muscles recover from the day's stress. The problem? Many seniors unknowingly sabotage this process with late-night snacking, poor sleep hygiene, or restless nights. Here are 5 simple but powerful bedtime habits to help your body rebuild muscle while you sleep. 1. The protein nightcap. Your body needs amino acids to repair muscle overnight. A light snack before bed like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a small protein shake provides exactly that. Studies show this habit can boost overnight muscle repair by up to 40%. 2. Magnesium and sleep minerals. Magnesium calms your nervous system, relaxes your muscles, and helps you sleep deeper. Foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, or a warm cup of herbal tea before bed provide this vital mineral, reducing cramps and improving recovery. 3. Ditch the blue light. Scrolling on your phone or watching TV right before bed tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That blocks melatonin, the hormone that signals your body to repair. Switch to reading a book, journaling, or listening to calming music. Your muscles and brain will thank you. Section 4. Putting it all together. Now zoom out. Imagine your day as a 24-hour repair cycle. In the morning, your upgraded coffee becomes more than a pick-me-up. It's a nutrient-packed formula that fuels your muscles, strengthens your joints, and keeps inflammation in check. At night, your body goes into repair mode. The protein snack feeds your muscles, magnesium relaxes them, and deep sleep allows the rebuilding process to finish strong. Together, these simple tweaks create a powerful anti-aging system that works quietly in the background while you live your daily life. No expensive pills, no miracle cures, just the right actions at the right time. Conclusion plus call to action. Now you know the truth. Muscle loss after 60 isn't a one-way street. With the right morning coffee ritual and the right bedtime habits, you can rebuild muscle fast, fight inflammation, and protect your independence. So let me ask you, which habit will you start tonight? Will it be the protein nightcap, the magnesium tea, or maybe you'll begin tomorrow with a muscle-boosting coffee upgrade? Drop your answer in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. If this video opened your eyes, tap the like button, share it with someone over 60 who needs this, and hit subscribe for more science-backed health tips to keep you strong, sharp, and independent. Stay strong, stay sharp, and remember, aging isn't about getting weaker. It's about choosing the right habits.